Welcome to the assembly instructions for the Ryden bike fitting and measuring tool. In your package you will have two rulers. Take the shorter one. Put the mobile support in the 42-inch side of the ruler and stick the ruler in the bottom hole of the mobile support. Push it until it's fully inserted. Take the piece with the top label on it and insert it on the bottom of the ruler. Make sure the arrow is pointing towards the open end of the ruler. Insert the piece with the 20mm label on it to the bottom of the ruler until it's fully inserted. The pieces you insert depends on your bike, so check before building to see which one fits. Grab the longer ruler. Starting from the cut part, insert the part shown in the video. Put the two rulers together and make sure the numbers on the rulers line up. The way to find the center of your saddle depends on how wide your saddle is. You may have to insert the different pieces into the rail to make sure it fits nicely with your saddle. Make sure the pieces are nicely secured, but not over-tightened. Make sure to use a 2mm screwdriver. Insert the piece you just built on the rounded side of the ruler like shown in the video. You can now insert your phone into the mobile support. You can dismount the piece and put it together in the way shown in the video to make it more compact and easier to travel with. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your tool and have an easy time setting it up and building it.